Hello, Canton Mo here. Here is my Ford F150 Lightning, and I've installed a Tailgate Assist. This is what it looks like without the Tailgate Assist. And this is with the Tailgate Assist. Let's get to it. So I have bought this generic tailgate dampener on Amazon for half the price of a OEM version, and I want to test it out and see how well it maintains and how good it is compared to the OEM version. So what you're gonna need is really a two socket. The first one is a 5/16 socket wrench, and the other one is a 50 TP50. It's a Torx Plus, and that's it. First of all, we're going to remove the light housing in the rear, and we're going to use the 5/16 socket wrench to unlock and remove the bolt. And then just gently pull the light housing out. Just like that. You can land it on the side. Okay. Next is to remove these two bolts right here. First of all, you're going to unlatch the tailgate first on the right side. So lift it up and remove this safety. And you're gonna probably want to unloose it at the same time. So lift it to about 45 degrees and just pull it out gently. And you can land it on the bumper. It shouldn't fall. Hopefully it wouldn't. All right. So this 2-bolt right here is really tight. Make sure you get the correct nut, which is the TP50, the Torx Plus 50. It fits perfectly like a glove. And just use a gently force to loosen it up. Again, these are a pain in the butt to take it up, but I was able to remove it. Okay, so the next step, a notch right here, and then you're going to use the spring load, the gut struck, attach this side, which is a little curved, and this side, attach it on this bolt right here. And then at the bottom, you would fit this over it. Again, it is a small hole to work with, so you gotta be really delicate. And snap the other half on the side. Okay. And then all you have to do right now is reattach the bolt you just removed. And that'll be all. All right, let's try it on, shall we? It's good. And now all we have to do is install the light. I unplugged it, so it's easy to work, but it's just plug and play. And then right now, just snap it back into place. While I'm working on the tailgate, I also bought a tailgate lock. So in this case, I'm pretty sure secure the tailgate from being stolen. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this as well. So again, we're gonna remove the tailgate from this hook. You have a tailgate lock, a key for your lock, and a cap for you to put on the keyhole. So let's just unlock the lock first. All right, there you go. And we're gonna put this cover on. And just screw it back in. cover it up with this cover. And you're done. Let's try it out. So that's it for my video today. I hope you like it. Please give it a like or subscribing to help support my channel. Thank you.